Welcome to godspanish.com, the place where we take you to the Olympus. Why to be a mortal if you can be a god? And also learn Spanish. So, my students have a problem. They want to write stress marks, but they don't have the keyboard, Spanish keyboard. What to do? It's really easy. Inside Windows, we have a virtual keyboard, and we only need to go to Start, write OSK, Tachan keyboard. But probably it will be in English. If you don't have this thing in the start bar to choose different languages, or you only have English, I'm going to teach you how to do it. So go again to we are going to close this, okay? Go again to Start, Control Panel, and here do you see this word with a watch? So the first option is change keyboard or other method for entry, maybe. I don't know how it's in English. I have it in Spanish, sorry. But the first one, about changing keyboards, I click there, and just there, what is written, keyboards and languages, we click change keyboards, and here I have 3 keyboards pre-installed, so it will work perfect. I already have all the languages I need. Spanish, the English one that usually I don't use it because the Spanish keyboard have more letters than the English one, and Russian one that I don't want to buy a huge keyboard because I have a laptop. Okay, and the stickers are crappy ones, so don't buy stickers on internet. Even if it's Spanish, also they sell it. Don't buy the stickers. After a month they will be dirty, or it's useless. So better to memorize it. I know it's not so cool. So for adding a new language, imagine you want to add Spanish, you click on add, and here you have all the list of languages. Here we have Spanish, and because my computer is in Spanish, I bought it in Spain, I have predeterminate Spanish. But imagine we don't have it, so choose Spain International. Okay, the difference for the other countries is not so much. Spain International, and click. If you choose in the States, maybe they will have the letters in a better place. I'm not sure of it. Okay, you can try. If you don't like, you click and it's installed. You don't have to find the CD or anything. You will already be working with the language. If you don't like it, so unclick and it's uninstalled. Okay, so I have here the 3 ones I need. And now I want to show in that corner the options to change the language and to write in Spanish, Russian, English, French, whatever you want. You need to the second, I don't know how to translate it, this language bar, maybe the second one, okay? And here you have 3 options. The first one I'm going to apply is the language, okay? You can choose it and move it whenever you want. I don't like this at all. I prefer the second one. This is the one that appears here. Okay, it's more compact. And so your Windows probably is in hidden. Okay, disappear. Only to apply, to agree or accept. Okay, close, and now the again. OSK. Also you can activate in the control panel, like I told you. And here we have the keyboard. I'm going to put Russian, for example. You can see obviously that the letters are different. Okay, do you see the difference? And if you put the American one, what is the ñ? And here we have usually no, we have the interrogation mark, I think. Oh, again Russian, no, sorry. Spanish, yes, here. So we have more. We have, if you remember, you can click on the keyboard, okay, for the mouse, so you don't have to click mouse and to put the stress mark or whatever. So now we are going to WordPad. I'm going to show you something. I have video games in the computer. Don't tell to my boss. I think I'm my own boss. So stupid jokes. So if okay, now I wrote with my Spanish computer. It's like this. If you change the language and you memorize this, you can do that easily. So if I click here and then the E, I will have the word. And if I discrete, because they will create the out of options, but there is a problem that I don't like. If I click the stress mark and then the E, it doesn't work. Okay, and now I click again the stress mark and appear too. So, but it's something. It's something. Don't get used to the word usually helps with different languages, so you can write even in 2-3 languages. It will work great. In Spanish we need the stress marks. They are really important. It's not the same que than que. Okay, the second one is for asking questions. So, o por qué, o por qué. It's not the same. We need the stress marks. Also, we need this magic symbol. In Spanish, it's called interrogación. We need to start with it and to finish it. Why? Because our sentences doesn't have this great structure like do you blah blah blah. Start with do. We know that it's already a question, or W questions, these things. We make real sentence. We change the intonation. ¿Quieres pan? I'm telling you that you want bread. ¿Quieres pan? I'm asking you if you want bread. So all the intonation change that, and when we're writing, we need to read that. Okay? So always write the start and the end. And there are some situations that you can even change all the meaning of it. And that's all. Not so difficult, don't you think? There are all the combinations with the keyboard that is ASCII code, I think it's called. And like CTRL in Spanish, CTRL Alt, command, sorry, it's command in English. Command Alt 100 something and you get one letter. Use this, is faster, for sure. And at the end you will memorize it. So that's all. Was easy, not so difficult, don't you think? So remember to have a great day every day, not only the weekends, and that the happiness is the only important, and also learning Spanish. Learning Spanish is really important. So see you in the next video.